All right, we're here in early February, and I was like, man, let's get the old Expedition out and see if we can't get her going. Been sitting all winter, maybe even a little longer. Come out here, tires flat as a pancake. Anyways, so we're gonna air that up. That's the first step. Get some of this snow off of there. Then we're gonna see if the battery's juiced up. Charge it up if we have to. See if we get this baby to run. Okay, this sucks. All right. This might be a little bit of a situation. This thing is like engulfed in ice, so anyways, this might be a problem, but we're gonna give it a little air and see if it'll just up and out of there. Nice and easy. Yeah, hold on a second. I hear air coming out of there, don't you? Go ahead and hit it again, and then where the hell is it coming out of? So it's just the air. No, it's coming out somewhere. See if we can feel it behind the tire. Am I even recording this? Okay, here we go again. I don't even know if I was recording that. Whole thing. You found it?
Just with a rim.
On the bead? On the bottom? Okay. Okay. Well, I'm probably gonna have to get it running and try to back it up a little bit, break it free, and then get that bead back on there. Maybe jack it up, spray some starter fluid in there while it's still on the truck, and then just light it. Yeah? Maybe. Maybe. Son of a buck. Get in there, bro. Make sure you don't bash the window in. There we are. It snowed a little bit. Alright. Lock the air out. Whatever. Well, I think we get the hood open there. So. Okay. My little nail broke off. No. Huh. Okay, I have to find one of them. Okay, well, because some engineer decided that these little rinky-dink shock deals is enough to hold up a 4,000-pound hood, they of course go bad. So someone was a smart guy and decided to drill a hole in there and then shove a little. Is that big enough? Get a bigger one. A little screw, but not that little. Anyways, or I mean, screw. There it is. Okay, anyways, that kind of holds her up. It's a brilliant idea. And we do have a little juice left in there. Is it enough? I doubt it. Maybe. We're gonna try. What'd you do? Step in some... Oh, you stepped in that?
I thought it was harder than this.
Oh, good lord. Oh, that sucks. Go over your boots. Alright. Well, let's take a little peek at the old... Let's make sure this engine has some oil in it. You just dumping on me? Oh. What does that say? Well, she's a little low. Yeah, she's a half quart or better. It's in the safe zone, but it's a little low. Okay. And then because
Hammy.
remember the yeah right. It's a tri-tone.
Sounds like
Anyways, you remember back in the good old days when there was like a radiator cap? So this pile. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. How do you guys feel about it? Comment down below. Remember the good old days? Well, there's some kind of fluid in there, but I mean it's in there, so I guess there's something. It's not frozen, so that's good. All right. Well, those are probably the two main things. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can find a half quart of oil to dump in there, just to be certain, and then see if I can find the keys. Man. Yeah, everybody comment down below if you want them to turn that thing around. That's good. Give her a look, see where we're at. Okay. See if I even have the right keys here. Yahtzee. See over there, that battery is a wee bit low. Here we go. Whoa! Oh! Come on, baby. Get some fuel in you. There we go. Now she's coming back up. There it is. Jeez. That's kind of cool. Huh. Didn't realize that was gonna be that easy. Thought we have to charge it. Good deal. Put that window down a little bit. Just in case I lock myself out. Well, isn't that neat? The light looks a lot brighter. Alternator must be working. Special. Well, now the air compressor is going to start. Okay. Got to deal with that tire. It fits out of off the rim too. Here, let go of it. No, it's off the bead. Son of a buck. Look at that. Haha. We just backed her up a skitch. And it's taking some air on, so yippity dippity doo da doo. Coming back. Yeah, I'm not sure if this one's gonna take air on yet. It still looks like it's off the bead there. I don't know why the other one caught, but come on, baby cakes. Hold on a second. Okay, go ahead. That's right. Get a little ice in that bead there. It's fine because it'll just melt and snap right into place, right? Yep. That's Loctite. Wow, we just keep knocking them out of the park. we keep fixing them flats. Fix the flat. We'll edit the crap out of this so it's not like just watching a tire get air in it. It's like watching the grass grow. Ain't nobody got time for that. Oh, that's good. That'll get us there. Oh, I got the all right. Sweet. Let's go drive it. See if it moves consistently. All right. Well, we got her back on the road. Everything went pretty well. Not too much drama today. Just some flat tires and some ice to deal with, but we got her back good to go. I'm Josh. This is Austin. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, like if you liked it. Catch you next time.